Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in our solar system. Here are some interesting facts about Jupiter. Jupiter is named after the king of the Roman gods. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in our solar system, completing a rotation on its axis in just under 10 hours. Jupiter has at least 79 known moons, the most of any planet in our solar system. Jupiter is so large that it could hold all of the other planets in our solar system inside it. Jupiter has a very strong magnetic field, which is about 20,000 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. The Great Red Spot is a giant storm on Jupiter that has been raging for over 350 years. It is larger than the size of Earth. Jupiter's atmosphere is made up mostly of hydrogen and helium, similar to the composition of the Sun. Jupiter emits more heat than it receives from the Sun, which is thought to be due to the planet's strong gravitational field and internal heat. Jupiter's four largest moons, called the Galilean moons after their discoverer Galileo Galilei, are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. They are some of the most geologically active objects in our solar system. Jupiter has been visited by several spacecraft, including the Pioneer, Voyager, Galileo, and Juno missions. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and has an average distance of 483 million miles, 778 million kilometers, from the Sun. Jupiter's gravity is so strong that it affects the orbits of other planets and objects in our solar system. Jupiter's interior is divided into layers, including a rocky core, a layer of liquid metallic hydrogen, and a layer of molecular hydrogen. Jupiter's atmosphere contains some of the most violent storms in our solar system, with winds that can reach speeds of over 400 miles, 640 kilometers, per hour. Jupiter's magnetosphere is the largest structure in our solar system, stretching over 650 million miles, 1 billion kilometers, from the planet. Jupiter has a faint ring system composed of dust particles that were likely ejected from its moons. Jupiter has a total of 53 named moons, with the smallest ones measuring less than a kilometer in diameter. The Galileo spacecraft, which orbited Jupiter from 1995 to 2003, discovered evidence of a subsurface ocean on Jupiter's moon Europa, making it a potential candidate for extraterrestrial life. Jupiter's moons Ganymede and Callisto are the only two moons in our solar system to have their own magnetic fields. Jupiter has a total mass that is 2.5 times greater than the combined mass of all the other planets in our solar system. Jupiter has a faint, ring-like structure around its equator called the equatorial zone, which is thought to be caused by the planet's fast rotation. Jupiter's moons are some of the most fascinating objects in our solar system. For example, Io is the most volcanically active object in our solar system, while Europa is thought to have a subsurface ocean that may harbor life. Jupiter's atmosphere is composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, but it also contains traces of ammonia, methane, and water vapor. Jupiter has a very strong magnetic field, which causes intense radiation around the planet. This radiation makes it difficult for spacecraft to approach the planet, as they risk damage from the radiation. Jupiter's magnetic field also causes spectacular auroras around the planet's poles, similar to the northern lights and southern lights on Earth. Jupiter is one of the gas giants in our solar system, along with Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets are primarily composed of gas and have no solid surfaces. Jupiter's atmosphere is divided into several distinct bands of clouds that move in opposite directions. The Great Red Spot is located in one of these bands. Jupiter's size and gravity have a significant impact on the orbits of nearby objects, such as asteroids and comets. Jupiter's gravity can deflect these objects, sending them on new trajectories. Jupiter has a very large and complex system of moons, with some of the smaller moons thought to have been captured asteroids. Jupiter has been explored by several spacecraft, including Pioneer 10 and 11, Voyager 1 and 2, Galileo, and Juno. These missions have helped us learn a great deal about the planet and its moons.